Well, it's that time again. Time for another giveaway because we've just hit 2,500 subscribers. Wait a minute. Or was it 27? Sorry about this. I'm going to have to take a look here on the phone. It's been slowly going up, so thanks to you guys. Thank you. We are officially at, as of this moment in time, 2,728 subscribers. So this is the 2,728 subscriber giveaway, I guess. So before we get to that, I'm going to show you guys a couple things I've been working on and some of the projects that I've gotten out of the way. Plus I'm going to show you, I'm going to tease a new project that I just picked up a couple weeks ago. So let's talk about the cursed marrow first. Oh, by the way, I got magnets. If anybody's interested, let me know. So where do we start with the cursed marrow? Well, it's fairly simple. I finally made it to Power Tour, and it was an amazing time, and I met a lot of cool people along the way. And these frickin' cicadas are insane. Dude, it is so loud out here. Hopefully the microphone picks up more of my voice than these frickin' demon bugs. Something that you haven't experienced unless you live in the Midwest is when cicadas come out every 17 years, they come in herds, swarms. When they shed their skin, you're walking around on their old bodies. They're everywhere, dude. It's insane. We're due for one. We get to shovel snow in the winter and get to shovel cicadas in the summer. That's not that bad, but you know what I'm saying. All right, let's go check out the truck. This thing has kind of been at a standstill for quite some time. Mainly, I was waiting for the weather to warm up and stop raining all the time for me to actually paint some of the stuff that I need to paint. So where we stand right now, I've got everything cleaned up from Power Tour. It actually looks pretty nice in here. I got multiple benches that are completely empty. That never happens. This bench lasted about, I don't know, a day. So from the last video that I actually put out on the C10, I've done quite a bit since then. While it may not look like much, I closed off all these unnecessary holes. Then, as you can tell, I cut out a good section of that floor brace so I could gain access to the back of that panel. So I got a little bit more smoothing out to do with a hammer and dolly here. After that, I'm going to epoxy prime this area and a couple other areas over here. I started working on the cab corner. I don't know if you'll be able to see it there. It's already starting to rust. Actually looked really nice at one point. And then at some point I will paint the back side of the truck because that is, for the most part, stripped down, except for a couple spots. And this is my poison of choice. Epoxy primer from Eastwood. Now, the nice thing is when I went in, this can was damaged, probably returned, and I got a crazy deal on this stuff. Half off. I have all the paint that I need right now to start getting some paint on this truck. But first and foremost, I need to finish this cab corner. That is mission number one. I already got this piece in place, and everything else is fitted except for the B-pillar section there. And I will also give you guys an update on the Monte Carlo, which is still buried at my parents' house. So if you look straight ahead, there's my new project car. Of course, I'm not being nice because I just blacked it out in Premiere. Stay tuned for that guy. All right, so let's talk about this giveaway. So once again, I just wanted to thank you guys for being there, supporting me along the way with your awesome comments, and just watching the videos and kind of following along with the builds and the adventures I've been having, which is awesome. I couldn't ask for anything more. So thank you once again, because without you guys, I would have never made it to 25, 27, 27, 28, whatever we're at right now. So as a form of thank you, I want to do something for you guys once again. And that is another giveaway like we talked about. So let's talk about what you guys are going to get. One lucky person is going to be the new owner of a Bandit license plate and the original Smokey and the Bandit. 750 Holly double pumper not included. So one lucky person is going to win both of these. So take a look in the description. There's some rules and regulations, you know, all that fun stuff, no purchase necessary, blah, 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 blah. Beyond that, the rules are fairly simple. Just leave me a comment on this video. Let me know what you like about the channel, and let me know what you want to see on future episodes of Busted Classic Garage. Don't worry, I'll throw you a magnet too. So, all right, see you guys next time.